If you've got a favorite track that you like to use in a number of different transitions, maybe in DJ routines, then sometimes you might have thought it would be really useful if I could have a different set of hot cues on this same track for different transitions to help me to perform them. Well, you can. It's a trick that we use in our Transitions Toolbox course, where we show you how to use hot cues to make transitions easier. And now you can use the exact same file, the exact same track with a different set of hot cues. Now, it only works if you're a Rekordbox user, but if you are, let me show you how to do it. So I've got this track here in Rekordbox. Let's load it onto one of the decks and let's put some hot cues on it. I'm going to put one hot cue at the beginning there, another one a few seconds in, and another one a few seconds in. Imagine this is now set up to work with another track to perform a transition where this is where I need the hot cues. And let's say I used all the hot cues right, so let's just fill them all in. So I've got no hot cues left. I've used every single one in that transition. And I want to then use the same track in another transition with another track. But of course, if I want to use hot cues to help me navigate the track or as markers, I can't because I've used them all. Well, this is where this little trick helps. I'm going to put it into browse mode just so that you can see what's going on better on the screen. And I'm going to go to Show in Finder. So this is where the track is in my music collection. So here's the trick. I'm going to rename this track. I'm going to just change one letter from lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase. It doesn't matter which. So the DDJT, I'm going to put a baby T on there now. And that's the only change I'm going to make. Now this track here still works. It has still recognized it. It doesn't care in the background whether it's lowercase or uppercase. In other words, this is still referencing that version of the file. However, if I now show that again in the Finder and drag my slightly changed file name version in, instead of saying, hey, this is a duplicate, it lets me add it again. It thinks it's a new track. It's got no cue points on it. So now when I add it back to my collection, this new version of it, I can put a whole new set of cue points in a whole different set of places. The same track, the same file on my hard drive, just a completely different set of cues and loops associated with it. It's the smallest things sometimes that are the most fun, isn't it? This only works in Rekordbox. Apparently it works on Windows as well. I've been doing it on Mac. But do let me know whether you've got hacks, you've got ways of doing something similar in your DJ software on your computer with your library. I'd love to hear your thoughts. A massive thank you to MixmasterG for reminding me about this the other day. I did remember this when he spoke to me about it, and I actually dug out where I first heard about it about 10 years ago. So thanks MixmasterG for the jog there. Listen, if you love tips like this, then you're going to love this book. It is our Bible on how to DJ on digital gear. It's called Rock the Dance Floor. It is a bestseller, but you can have a copy for free if you don't want to go and get it on Audible, Kindle, or in all good bookstores. Just go to that URL or scan that QR code and become the latest free member of our school, Digital DJ Tips. To thank you for doing so, I'll give you a copy of the book. I cannot say fairer than that. Meanwhile, for me, Phil, here in the studio, until the next quick tip, get good, get out there, make the moments. Bye for now.